So this is your next question. An alloy consists of 3 1/2 gram of copper and 2 3/4 gram of tin. Now find the ratio of copper to that of tin in the alloy in the simplest form. So you have to find the ratio. So what value is given first, right? Copper given 3 1/2 gram and tin 2 3/4 gram. So ratio 3 1/2 is to 2 3/4. So we will convert to improper fraction. 3 2 is 6 1 7. It will be 7/2. 2 4 is 8 19 11 11/4. Now to convert this into ratio, we will take LCM of 2 and 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So we will multiply both sides with 4. So 2 2 are and 4 1. So it will be 7 2 are 14 is to 11. So this will be your ratio. Next question. In a books of 5/12 of the people were males, write the ratio of male and female in the shop. Solution. Number of male 5/12. So female
1.
question mark. Let us consider total number of people be 1.
Yes.
Now to find female, we have to subtract number of male from 1. It will be 2. Oh, it is 12 only. So 12 ones are 12. 12 minus 5. It is 7/12. So female fraction is 7/12. Now ratio male is to female equal 5/12 is to 7/12. Now it will become 5/12 into 12 is to 7/12 into 12. 12 12 cancel. So you are left with 5 is to 7. So this will be the ratio. So next will be the multiple choice question. The ratio of 9 days to 3 weeks. Now you are given 9 days is to 3 weeks. So we will convert this days week into days. So 3 week will be 3 into 7. Now 3 7 are 21 days. Its ratio will be 9/21. Now both the number is cancelling with 3. So 3 3 are 3 7 are. So your ratio will be 3 is to 7. So your option 3. Option C is correct. Next question. In the word mathematics, the ratio of the number of constant to the number of vowels. Now here in mathematics, number of vowel equal how many? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So vowel is 4. Number of consonant equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ratio will be 4/7, which is equal to 4:7. So option A is correct. Now, the length of the rectangle frame is 1/2 meter and the width is this much. What is the ratio of width to the length? Now ratio you have to find out width to the length. Now length is given 1/2 meter, width 3/4 meter, 6. So ratio of width is to length. So it will be 3/4 is to 1/2. So first you find the LCM of 4 and 2 is 2. Now multiply both sides with 4. To 1/2 into to 4. Now 4 cancel and 2 2s are 4. So you are left with 3:2. So option A is correct. Next question, what is the ratio of the number of primes to the number of composite between number 1 and 50 with 1 and 50 inclusive? Means we have to include 1 also and 50 also. So here are list of numbers from 1 to 50. So all rated marks number are prime numbers.
Yes.
Now number of primes is 15. So count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the rest will be composite. So number of composite will be 50 minus 15 is equal to 35. Now ratio prime is to composite. So it will be 15 is to 35. So you divide like this, 15/35. So you are going to get this cancelling with 5. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 35. So it is 3/7. Next question. Ankita is 18 years old and her brother Apurv is 16 years old. What is the ratio of Ankita to Apurv age? So Ankita 18 and Apurv 16. So ratio 18 is to 16. So you can write as 18/16. Now cancelling with 2, 2 9s are and 2 8s are. So it will be 9/8, or you can write 9 is to 8. Now after 8 years, Ankita's age will be 18 plus 8. It will be 26. Apurv age will be 16 plus 8. It will be 24. So ratio will be 26:24. You can write 26/24, cancelling with 2 13 are 2 12 are, so it will be 13/12, or you can write as 13:12. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.